Welcome to Retail Giants, the series where we deep dive into the stores that shaped how we shop, snack, and silently cry in the parking lots. Today, we're talking about Costco, the bulk buying, hot dog slinging, cult-like warehouse that somehow made a 40-pack of toilet paper feel like luxury. So put on your comfy shoes and let's take a lap around the giant maze of dreams. It all began in Seattle, 1983, when Jim Sinegal and Jeffrey Brotman opened the first Costco warehouse. But really, Costco's DNA goes back even further, to Price Club, which started in San Diego in 1976. It was basically a no-frills warehouse for small businesses. The big idea? Keep costs low, sell in bulk, charge a membership fee, and pass the savings on to the customers. The people ate it up. Costco's built on a few simple rules. Keep the prices low, limit product selection, but make each one count, treat employees well, and never, ever mess with the $1.50 hot dog combo. Co-founder Jim Sinegal once said, "If you raise the price of the hot dog, I will kill you." And he meant it. The combo has been $1.50 since 1985 through inflation, recession, and every economic crisis. Now that's price stability. Costco's layout? It's chaos by design. There are no aisle signs. The inventory changes constantly. You walk in for vitamins and leave with a kayak, a 12-pack of flannel shirts, and an existential question about life's randomness. That's the strategy, the treasure hunt. The surprise is part of the experience. And then there are the free samples, Costco's version of bait. One bite of microwave dumpling and suddenly you're bulk buying frozen gyoza for the next 6 years. Costco doesn't make its money from stuff it sells. It makes it from you, the member. Over 70% of its profits come from the annual membership fees. The model is genius. You pay to shop, and then you feel obligated to shop more to make it worth it. And if you've ever walked away from a Costco thinking, I saved $40, well, you probably spent $300. That's the Costco effect. Unlike many retail giants, Costco is known for treating its employees well. Competitive pay, solid benefits, and real career paths. They've been praised for keeping wages high, even while keeping prices low. That's part of why people love them, not just for the rotisserie chickens. Have you ever met a casual Costco fan? Yeah, me neither. These people would take a bullet for the food court churro. Their online communities, Costco merch, people get married at Costco, and now even Costco apartment buildings. This isn't just shopping, it's a lifestyle. Today, Costco has over 850 stores worldwide and nearly 130 million members. They've resisted trends like delivery or flashy marketing. They don't even advertise. Their fans do it for them. But the real magic? They've stayed consistent. The brand, the values, the vibe, it all feels familiar. In a world of algorithmic shopping and constant change, Costco is a brick and mortar comfort blanket. You walk in, breathe in the warehouse air, and think, yes, I do need 40 pens, 3 pounds of trail mix, and a sectional sofa today. That's it for this week's Retail Giants. Drop a comment. What's the weirdest thing you've impulse bought at Costco? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, you may grow old, but you never outgrow a $1.50 hot dog.